I'm Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs, alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. And now on with the show. So here is the Euro Canadian dollar, and we are in an uptrend with a long wave phase. So we're looking for longs. We're a little bit overextended on the employment numbers, which were good. If you look at the amplitude, it's 176, so that's way overbought. So we're going to just ignore this one for now. Pound Canadian dollar, pretty much the same story. Super sharp trend up. The long wave phase, way overbought. And we're actually hyperextended because the little table here is yellow. We are way overbought here, nothing for now. New Zealand US dollar, nothing to do here right now. Trend is up, but we don't even have a wave bias on this one because it's not actually in the zone. Singapore dollar, Canadian or Swissy Frank, sharp trend to the downside. This is in a short wave phase, so we're looking for shorts. I am waiting for a sweet spot dot to paint here, and I have an alert set for that. US Canadian dollar, this is in a long trend with a positive wave phase looking for longs. This thing is no longer in the sweet spot, but if she pulls back a little bit and does one of those, we would reevaluate that as a long. And then you have US dollar, Swissy Frank. Trend is down, wave phase is looking for a short. We are waiting for a sweet spot, short, bearish sweet spot to plot here. That is what is going on with the different instruments. If I take a look at news, we just, like I said, got through the employment numbers, both Canadian and US employment numbers. Our non-farm employment number was good. Our employment rate went up a point to 4.2% from 4.1%. So the next big thing on the news docket is the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report at 9 a.m. So we'll see if that has any impact on it. So, tidbit of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know who Keith Gill is?
Doesn't he have an enterprise or something?
Roaring Kitty, ring a bell?
He's a marketer, right? No, then I do not know who Keith Gill is.
Did you see? I can't remember. It was on Netflix. I want to say it was called Stupid Money or Stupid something. I don't know. So Keith Gill goes under the moniker of Roaring Kitty on Reddit. And he was the guy that started the whole AMC and what was the other stock? I can't remember. That big thing where they just ran up this stock that was like nothing to like the hundreds of dollars.
Oh, for that Robin Hood thing or whatever?
Yeah, that thing. They made a movie about it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's hilarious. This guy's just, he was trying really hard to get a job as an analyst at one of the financial firms, and he had some low-level job, but he did this thing in his basement and it went crazy, and all these people bought in, and some of them made fortunes and some of them lost all their money, and it was really interesting. Anyway, so yesterday he posted a picture of something I don't even know what it is on Reddit, and it caused a frenzy of buying of, oh, GameStop. GameStop was the other one that he made go nuts.
Yeah.
So he caused a frenzy of buying in GameStop and AMC again. And then today, top AMC executives dumped a shit ton of stock and it came crashing down again. So it was like a pump and dump kind of scenario,
Mm,
or at least that's what people are saying.
yeah.
So it's an interesting. I'm always like amazed at how people just will throw their money at something because someone said something
Oh, no, I know
without
that.
any analysis, or I can't tell you how many times just yesterday or day before yesterday at work. Well, we're going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin. I said, I think you missed the train on that one. Oh, oh no, my friend's friend says this is the time to buy. I'm like, okay. So there's a perfect example in real life that happened to me.
That's happening now. I should buy some and pump and dump
There you go. There you go. For those listening, I'm not telling
No
you to
way.
buy Bitcoin. If
Yeah.
you haven't already bought it, you probably missed the boat. If
Yeah.
you haven't, hang on to it
Seriously.
or sell it. I don't care. I'm not giving you any advice. Yeah, I'm not telling you to do anything. You do whatever the hell you want, because who am I to tell you what to do? I'm just some guy making a podcast. All right. I think that's about it. All right.
Sounds like a plan.
All right. See you later. Good luck trading.